Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about a robust Chavos based technique for medical image encryption. Abstract: transmission and storage of medical data using cloud-based Internet of Health systems necessitate important prerequisites such as secrecy, legitimacy, and integrity. The system is developed encryption and decryption scheme that can be applied in e-healthcare or IoHS for the protection of medical images. Cloud is a new technology that is developed to reduce the storage area and cost of storage. E-healthcare having same images share a common storage area and that images can be fetched whenever needed. The proposed system explores the multiple medical images are encrypted and decrypted. The medical data manager encrypts the medical images and stored in cloud, increasing exponentially day by day. An admin generates a secret key for each and every image, and healthcare provider will decrypt the encrypted images from cloud. The only way to reduce the time for medical department is multiple medical images encrypted and decrypted at a time and elimination of repeated images in cloud. Now we are going to see about flow diagram. First, medical data manager can log in. Then manager can choose the image for encryption and can view the selected image. Then request key for these selected images to admin. An admin can view the requested list for generate key. Then the key was generated and send the key one by one to the manager. The manager get a key and encrypt the all images and stored in the cloud. The healthcare provider can view the encrypted images for decrypting from the cloud and get a key for all images, and the multiple encrypted medical images will decrypt at a time. The both encrypted and decrypted multiple medical images are stored in the cloud. Next, we are going to see about the project output. This is our home page. Now, we should click the Go To button for login. The login form is open. Give the username and password of the manager because the manager only can encrypt the selected images. Manager logged in successfully. Now image selection and image encryption page was opened. Now the manager can choose the medical data images. Now I choose the one number JPEG of the medical images. Now manager can view the selected image. Then manager can request key for selected image to admin. Request sent to key generator like admin. Now admin will log in. Admin logged in successfully. Admin only can generate the key for each and every medical images. Now an admin can view the all requested list. Now I select the first list of the image. Then admin was generate the key for this image. The secret key was generated. Now I select the image and send the key to the data manager. Now the manager get a key for image encryption. The manager can get a key one by one for encrypt the image. Now the secret key received by the manager. Now manager can encrypt the image. The file encrypted successfully. The encrypted images are stored in cloud storage. After completing encrypting process, now we are going to decrypt the all encrypted images. The healthcare provider only can decrypt the all images. Healthcare provider username and password given and logged in successfully. Then image decryption page was open. The healthcare provider view the encrypted list and get a key from the encrypted image. Then decrypt the images one by one at a time. The decrypted file is successfully decrypted. The all encrypted and decrypted images are stored in cloud server. Here the encrypted image. Here the decrypted image